So Jane, you've announced the squads today for the opening World Cup qualifier against Kazakhstan. Are you happy with the strength of the squad?
Yeah, really happy. Also happy with everybody's fully fit, raring to go, and we're looking forward to the new campaign. Since the success of hosting a major women's final tournament here a few months ago, the Champions League final, we want to build on that as an association, and as a women's and girls football environment, we need to build on that. You know, we're in the process with regards to our top level players of developing a high performance programme for our players from 12 years of age forwards, and we do need that, you know, because we want to go into these campaigns in the next few years competing against full-time professional teams who are in top environments day in, day out. We're in the process of developing that provision for our players. So are we there yet? No. Hopefully in the next 5 years our arena will be very different and the types of players we're bringing through will be different. But having said that, the players we have right now are more than capable of competing on that top level stage. But we have to mix and match at times. You know, we have a mix of pros, we have semi-pros, we have amateur players within our senior team. And you know, sometimes that gives us advantages. We do have a great culture that's developing there now, and we have a competitive group of players who want to achieve success. Well, look, you look at the group and there are top quality teams within there, and you know, every international game we play is going to be a tough test, and it'll give us a different type of test each team we play. Whether that's Kazakhstan next week, obviously we're travelling over there, which is a 6-7 hour journey, and the time difference, so we have to make sure we plan correctly so that the girls are ready to compete come game day. And then you look at Russia, again, long travel distance for us, and a team who've been in major competitions recently. The big test, obviously, this England, that will be for us to look more into in 6 to 8 months' time, because the games don't come round till then. By that time, you know, the group will probably pan itself out a little bit. We obviously have Bosnia as well that we're looking forward to going and competing with. They're the team that are nearest with regards to rankings and position within women's football in the world right now. So that's going to be a huge test for us to make sure that we get a result against that nation as well.
And of course, for the first home match is in November here at Cardiff City Stadium. How important will it be to play here and try and generate a buzz around the women's team?
Yeah, look, for us the priority is to make sure that our team are ready to compete come game day. Whatever squad that are available at that point, you know, we know every single player that steps on the pitch with the dragon on their chest will give us everything they can give us on that day. What we do hope is that as a nation we can come and support that. You know, irrelevant of whether it's a boy or a girl, a woman or a man in our Welsh national team and kit right now, that person who steps on the pitch feels exactly the same. So irrelevant if we're talking about the men's team or the girls' team or the boys' team or the women's team, we're all trying to do a great job for our country and actually step on the world stage and compete. So we're very much looking forward to that opportunity coming round again now, and another qualifying tournament to play in. You know, we've had a good prep year. We've played some teams where we've come out being the victor. We've played a recent game where we lost, and we've reflected on that loss and we've learned from it. So we've had a mixed bag over the last year, but what we have had is a more competitive squad to pick from and a group of players that are striving to achieve. And you know, we have got a group of squad and a big squad of players now that we can select from. Unfortunately, I can't select them all. I can't select them all come game day either. But what they will do is compete, and if they're not starting, they will support each other, and we're sure we've got that right. So our culture as a team is definitely developed over the last 2 to 3 years, and we are looking to compete against every team we play against.